Boom. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the ReCoop. I'm your host, Cooper Daniels, and today is Monday. April... No, it's not the 7th. I got the title wrong. Today's the 8th. Oh, shit. Folks, starting off the week with the wrong number in the title. Come on. What's going on, everybody? Did you have a good weekend? Caitlin Clark, she fell. She fell to what? Was it South Carolina? I actually had to miss that game. Saw somebody tweet, should they, what was his name? Skip Bayless say that because Bronny is, made himself eligible for the draft, and he's saying that Caitlin Clark should go before Bronny. Folks, that girl or that lady or that woman or whatever the hell you want to call it, her, whatever you want to call her, is a freaking beast. Of the little I've seen, she is pretty damn incredible. I'd probably rather have her than the 4.5 points that Bronny's getting on the USC Trojans. What's going on? How's everybody doing? Are we excited? Are we excited about everything? The market is bouncing back today. I saw that Bitcoin is back over 70,000. Ethereum is over 3,600. So we're all feeling good. A great week end for RWA. The divinity has arrived to Algorand. RWA, red wine, hooker blow, gold oil inu. RWA, the home of real world assets on Algorand. Own everything. Folks, that's been going down. The Coop community has embraced it with full arms. I'm just kidding. Some of them, actually. The Coop community, as far as I know, are a little resistant. They're like, hey, bro, why RWA? Where's Coop? Well, Coop is freedom, folks. I don't know what to say. Can you not do more than one thing at a time? Can you not have fun at two different places? Don't you understand the actual value of Coop? Come on, folks. Imagine being a Coop holder fudding RWA. Imagine it. How many guns do you put to your head? Folks, I don't even know what I'm talking about. I haven't eaten today. I have my Bitcoin cup, and I'm drinking some black coffee. I definitely prefer a good dark roast to what did I have? This is it was on sale. It was Pete's Major Dickinson or whatever, which is fine. I just need it to be dark because I had some fancy Guatemalan coffee all last week, and it was just like acidic and sweetish. It's just like, is that what nice coffee tastes like? Because I don't want it. I just want fucking just coffee, dark, round, chocolatey notes. Man, Soul. What's going on with Soul? Is anybody in the chat? Maybe I should just talk to you guys. I'm feeling a little aimless today. Okay, Cope, what's up? Crypto for Change. He's the first to like. Crypto for Change is the man, the myth, the legend. I believe on the next block, he's going to have Moonwell. We've talked about Well on this show. So the next block is going to be talking to Moonwell. And yeah, Crypto for Change has gone full base. He's based, man. There you go. Let's go. What Mostly Friends? Oh, okay. And by the way, Crypto for Change, I'm going to change my profile picture to that Mostly Friends. What Mostly Friends we buy. And I'm going to, and I've been meaning to shout out your cool ass gift from last week, but I've been spent a lot of time this weekend redeeming shrimp, and then I had to evolve that shrimp with 300, and then I had to wait. But I have 500 in that wallet, and I think I'm ready to go and fully evolve that Mostly Friends. And if you guys are paying attention to Mingo and Yieldling, a Divine distributor, by the way, there's a quest currently. If you own any Mingo fam thing, and I don't even know if you need to own any RWA. I don't know if you need to own RWA or not, but you can enter into a quest, and I think half of people that enter into that quest are going to win 50,000 RWA, if I remember correctly. But more importantly, well, maybe not more importantly, but Also, and that was probably more importantly, especially for Mingo holders, on the quest, if you scroll through the quests, one of them is something like imagining your best friend. And with that, folks, means that best friends are probably coming soon. So I'm excited about that. That's an NFT project that I am definitely engaged in. I mean, these people that distributed RWA are doing a fantastic job. Native hit all of these different NFT projects. Mingo's doing it with his, like, obviously his creativity and quests, and Fisherman and Thirstober from the Stupid Horses. They distributed it quickly and got it out there fast. And now Algonauts is partnered up with Pact to reward farms on Pact, doing big things. And the Coop fam is, they're cooking whatever the hell they're cooking. But it is going very well. And the distribution is better than I could have expected. This thing is hitting so many different wallets. So I'm excited about it. Just to see how it plays out. I think RWA on Algorand is funny, and I think we should bring RWAs to other chains. Why not? Where's the fun, folks? Where's the fun? I think the fun is here. Let's go. All right, Relax and Sleep just realized that he thought he had another day of milk based on my title, but now it's old milk. I'm having fun in many places right now. There you go, Crypto for Change. Don't let him hate on you, Coop. Still holding RWA strong. No worries, Coop. Got to get those evolutions. Hell yeah. I have shrimp if you need some. Best friends. I can't wait. My 3-year-old, I got enough shrimp. But I mean, I appreciate it. My 3-year-old daughter called my wife a poopy asshole this weekend. I blame you, Coop. Pretty damn good for her first swear words. I let her know how proud I was. Aw, Larry, and your 3-year-old daughter, poopy asshole. Did she really learn that from Poopy Pants? Poopy Pants? Because if I'm teaching your daughter to swear, keep it up, sweetheart. I'm just kidding. Bring RWA to base, and I'll buy more there. Oh, shit. I think we actually have bridges to base. All right, folks. Hey, look. There we go. So Sol is, all transactions are failing and everything. I was having a conversation. I tweeted about it, but maybe you guys aren't following me on Twitter. And I was talking, and I was like, I've been operating under the assumption that, FTX and Genesis and all of them with the Sol. And I was thinking, okay, so America, or, the West is manipulating Sol to keep it up, because anytime in the past, with all of the nonsense that's been happening on Solana, it would crash. It would crash on some level, but the price remains strong. And a couple of people actually informed me, well, no, there are some very, very liquid Chinese investors in Sol, and they will keep that price high with all of their might. So if you feel like that's the future of finance, folks, more power to you. I'm not even trying to hate. I don't know. I'm just trying to figure it out and deliver information. Some of you are so protective. You're like, oh my God, you said mean things about Sol. Oh, how dare you? There's nobody using your fucking chain, bitch. Sol's the one with all the activity. Why are you such a hater? That's not the way you're going to bring people over to your chain, is by hating on my new chain. Come on, man. Like this vibe, like, no, that's not what this is. Maybe some of the people on Twitter are like, oh, it's kind of lame but that's not what I'm doing here, folks. I'm just letting you know that I wouldn't invest in that. I don't want it. That's not at all why I got here. It's not. Now might be like, well, RWA, how is that how you got here? Or Coop, how the hell is that? Well, if you are paying any attention, both of those things are making fun of shit, okay? And I didn't keep shit for myself. I just gave it all away and tried to show that this doesn't need to be exactly what Sol is providing. You understand? Do you guys understand what I'm doing? I don't mean to do it. I just do it. I just wasn't, at least Coinbase has been around forever, and they're creating they're bridging their users from a centralized exchange that might be under threat by the United States government to a more to a layer 2 on Ethereum, and are using the decentralized properties of Ethereum in order to and not creating their own token and doing something interesting over there. It's centralized in a lot of different ways, but they have a roadmap towards decentralization, and they're working within a framework of trying to provide opportunity and option with some sort of thesis and substance behind it. To me, I mean, I know that Solana has amazing developers and technical acumen, and maybe it is just a hiccup, and they're going to be able to figure this out. And this is truly just battle testing them. And as they grow, it's going to grow stronger and more resilient. Maybe. It's just, I don't believe it. And that's just what I think. Fire Stacey Warden, CM says. I mean, whatever. She can do whatever the hell she wants. I mean, you guys can do whatever you want. Stacy, maybe she's doing a great job. Maybe we don't know. She's doing a great job. RWAs. But 2.27% RWA LP. He's trying. All right. Paulie is almost 2.5% of the LP on RWA. I believe I entered into the RWA Coop pool, and now at that point I was like 15% of that. And I also entered into the RWA Algo pool. Now RWA on Pact will be incentivized along with Akita, and bring in all tides lift boats or something like that. All tides lift rising boats. Oh my god, I'm so fucking beat up, guys. You guys have no idea. You guys have no idea what it's been like the past couple weeks in my life. Oh fuck, the fact that I'm surviving and showing up, folks, and having a good attitude and acting out in a way that I think is still productive. We're lucky to be here. All right, let's scroll. Let's navigate the news. All right, so we're at CNBC. Let's refresh because I haven't looked at this in over 3 days. Stocks are little changed to start the week as higher Treasury yields cap gains. All right, so we're sideways on the Dow, sideways in the S&P, all the same. Slightly green on all of the indexes. Let's see. Biden new student loan forgiveness plan could erase up to $20,000 in interest for millions. You can go ahead and do that for me if you'd like, Joe. U.S. ready to sanction Chinese banks if they aid Russia's war machine. Oh, this shit just can't stop, won't stop. JB Diamond says AI may be as impactful on humanity as printing press, electricity, and computers. This is doing what I thought it would do. It's down 10% today, down to 36. What is this? Truth Social? I mean, they don't make it, there's barely any users and they don't make any money, like, folks. And it's exit liquidity for a man that needs a lot of liquidity currently. Like, what are you doing? U.S. offers Taiwan semiconductor up to $6.6 billion for Arizona factories as Biden pushes for chip security. Yeah, lock that shit up. God, I mean, we have just slipped into full-on war, haven't we? I mean, not that I'm Captain Obvious over here, but fuck. All right, let's see. Shit's hard, man. Winning is hard. It's difficult to do. That's what Derek Jeter says. Blackstone's $10 billion deal is latest bet that property values are near lows. Wells Fargo is the biggest believer in the S&P 500 pumpathon. Iger won the battle. People like the robo-taxi idea. Let's turn this off. Am I not sharing? I'm sharing. For a second, I thought that might be crypto for change. All right, let's go to the block. Let's talk crypto. What do you got? The block? Almost up to 72. We'll look at that in a second. Hello? Somebody's asking me something. Distracted me. Ba-do-do-do. Ba-dee-dee-dee. Coinbase and MicroStrategy stocks. How does Coinbase stock doing? Let's see. Let's look. I own some of that. You guys own any Coinbase stock? All right, but let's look at the news. Okay. Solana and Blast, forget eyeballs, new ton. I should probably see record year-to-date inflows of 13.8 billion. Right, I don't want to look at that anymore. Let's go to CoinDesk. Sorry, I got a bunch of shit on my phone now that I'm thinking about. All right, let's share this tab instead. Let's go down here. Let's get rid of this. Crypto market cap to double to 5 trillion by year end. The Ripple CEO. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Brad Garlinghouse highlighted several macroeconomic factors behind the potential growth of the total crypto market value. The value of the cryptocurrency market could double to 5 trillion by the end of the year, propelled by the January approval of spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds in the US and the mining reward having due later this month. I'm very optimistic. I think the macro trends, the big picture things like the ETFs are driving for the first time real institutional money. You're seeing that drives demand, and at the same time demand is increasing, supply is decreasing. The rate at which new Bitcoin are produced will be reduced after the reward halving scheduled for April 20th. We're going to get high that day. Let's do that. We'll live stream that day. That event, which takes place roughly every 4 years, has historically preceded a bull market for the largest cryptocurrency by value. It lowers the number of Bitcoin that miners are awarded for approving blocks to be added to the blockchain by 50%. The crypto market is currently valued at around 2.68 trillion. Despite multiple regulatory crackdowns in the U.S., Garlinghouse says he remains positive on the future of crypto regulation in the country. Last June, the SEC sued crypto exchange Coinbase and Binance, alleging they listed and traded unregistered securities. One of the things, actually, I'll say on the macro tailwinds for the industry, I think we will get more clarity in the United States. The U.S. is still the largest economy in the world, and it's unfortunately been one of the more hostile crypto markets. And I think that's going to start to change also. The SEC also filed a lawsuit against Ripple, a blockchain, but alleged it sold the XRP token illegally. Ripple denies the claims. JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon's annual letter, interest rates could go far higher than many expect. Dimon believes investors are being overly optimistic with respect to the chances of an economic soft landing. That makes sense. These jobs reports are interesting because most of these new jobs are coming from the government. So that's interesting, right? Although, yeah, who knows? Okay. Man, I'm tired. Let's go to Blockworks. Do Kwon and Terraform Labs are found liable for fraud in SEC case. The decision came a few hours after both the defense and lawyers representing the SEC gave their closing arguments. DYDX chain resumes block production after 9.5 hour halt. MTC, that's where I'm at right now. BTC will have to hit 79K. Using ASIC warmth for home heating can make mining worth the cost, some say. And I'll be heating our houses with our ASICs. The per block rewards paid to Bitcoin miners are set to be cut in half from, we just talked about that. For miners, the formula is simple. If the halving drives up Bitcoin's price, their investment pays off. Otherwise, small miners could be left with dormant ASICs, energy bills, and little chance of breaking even. I personally needed at 70K for my operation to break even after the halving. Mining isn't really worth it these days, and especially after the halving. There are other complicating factors besides price for DIY miners. One variable is Bitcoin's hash rate, which has grown at an increasing rate throughout the network's history. The hash rate is essentially a measure of the amount of competition to mine Bitcoin blocks. Elevated electricity prices where miners live can make things more difficult, particularly as power grids in the US and elsewhere buckle under demand for compute-intensive AI. And individual miners have very low odds of successfully mining Bitcoin by themselves. Many opt to join mining pools, which coordinate with share rewards among several miners while also charging varying fees. This all besides the fact that the price of miners vary and more efficient ASICs are released over time. At home, miners can punch these variables into online mining calculators to try to measure their chances of profit, but some have given up hope altogether. Two miners told Blockworks that using mining rigs for home heating was one avenue for making at-home mining profitable. ASIC miners emit heat as they run, and some Bitcoiners have developed means of capturing that heat and circulating it through their homes. It makes one so much less price sensitive when you can mine and eliminate a natural gas bill. People have been planning for the halving, some since the last halving, many since last summer, a few since Octoberish. Everybody knows it's coming, should be fine. There you go. There we go. Bitcoin Cash has completed its halving. Okay, we're back in greed. We're still in greed, but we're ticked up from night 72. But this is also from yesterday, so we'll see. I guess tomorrow. I guess we could check a more current one. We got Bitcoin at almost 72. It's up almost 4% in the last 24 hours and 4.5% in the last 7 days. Hope you didn't give up. Hope you didn't paper hand. And then you got Ethereum up to 3,700, up almost 10% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum outperforming. Sol is at $181, down 4% in the last week, but still up over 1.5%. And this shit's not even working. XRP is at 62.5 cents, up 5% in the last 24 hours. They got their stablecoin coming. I think they got an AMM on there now on the ledger, on the XRPL. So they're doing something. Cardano's up 4.5% in the last 24 hours at 61 cents. AVAX broke 50 cents, up 3%. Polkadot back to $9, up almost 5%. How's the volume? But yesterday was Sunday. Volume is decent for that. If you put it in perspective, in context. Stacks is up 5%, almost up to 350. The Dogwoof hat is up almost 11%, over $4. Top 30 cryptocurrency. Thorchain doing well, making its way back up to $8. Say what you want to say. It's up 5%, 75 cents. Algorand tops out the top 60, rounds out the top 60, pushing down a touch in the last hour, up 5% in the last 24 hours, and making its way back to a quarter. Got a good bounce back. Algo 200 is looking good, up 13% in the last time. Red Wine Hooker is getting beat up a bit. KubeCoin is also down a bit. GORA is up. Let's see. Koopa Loop. Let's see. We got Akita up there. Daffy Reward is up there. Nico, and then Coop is fallen to, let's see, stable TVL is under 200,000. Total TVL, though, is at 338,000. So stable is with approved assets, and a lot of Coop is paired against other tokens. Market cap is down to 860,000, fully diluted. Very close to that. There you go. There's Coop. Cometa's looking strong. Pepe bouncing a bit. Orange sort of floundering. Algo 200 over 2 cents. They've got 71,000 in stable TVL, but 160 in the total TVL, and their market cap is up to almost 4 million. High volume 29,000. Barb is got a market cap of 72,000, but a TVL of 46. Bumgarner is up in the last 24 hours, but dumping again. Red wine hooker, we finally found it. Day by day, pumping peps, and then we found the hooker. There she is. We got at 19,000 almost stable TVL, but 32,000 total TVL, and a market cap of 348,862. The circulating supply is 100%. The total supply is 999. So nearly a billion to the nines, and fully diluted is the same as it is right now, which is 350,000 market cap. So look at you guys bringing it to life. All right. Anything else? I feel like that might be it today, guys. I didn't realize how shitty I felt until I started trying to talk. Let's see. BTC is pumping. DXY is dumping. Alts are aping. Let's fucking go. Crypto for Change is ready to go. Good morning, Crypto for Change. Samino says. Good morning, boss. Good morning, Mort. Hello. What's up, Kenrick? What's good, Kenrick? If Sol was a shop, you'd never go back in after your first visit. I mean, for real. You go in there, all of your transactions fail. You try to redeem your wormhole, your W token, can't for days. I mean, what are we doing? Okay, fine, you'll fix it. Fix it then. I don't know what to say. Like, why are we so passionate about this shit? Because of price action. And a lot of people are getting rich on the casino. It does feel like it's sort of playing out the way Bitcoin maxis always say it will. We'll see. We'll see. Entire pot of coffee today, and an entire pot of coffee today, and I'm calling it copy. Not doing good. Fuck, man. I tried it and had 50% failed transactions. Mort gave up. Yeah, I'm fully moved out of Sol. Had some render bags, but just sold those for profit, and we'll make more on base and algo. There you go. Nice. He should have 2 monitors. A listener put 100 towards the second one a while back. It probably got spent on hookers and blow instead. I do need another monitor. Too funny. Coop, opt in. What am I opting into? What am I opting into? Crypto for Change. About to make that day again. Okay, let's see what Crypto for Change is raining on Coop today. Let's see. I'm going to see my request. See if there's a request here. What the fuck? What are you doing? All right. So, folks, I don't know what he's sending me right now, but it looks like it's a Mingo. This is what okay, so the base boys have some money, folks, because this man is gifting me what looks like he's rounding out my Let's see what this is. Look what this dude just sent me. Fucking crypto for change, man. Got the aviators. It's got the hat. And it's got the shirt. You're the man, dude. What the fuck? All right, folks. Like, make sure you watch Moonwell on the next block this week. And let's all say, I mean, fucking thank you, Crypto for Change. You're my every time you show up now, you're gifting me. My collection is getting fantastic. It's got the yellow background. Shit. What a man. All right. Well, we're going to have to do this late night show for damn sure. And you're going to have to show me the ways of base and what you're doing over there because it's clearly paying off. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. All right, folks. Look, bad day. Not a great show. I apologize. We're moving on. We're having fun. I'm doing it. We're going to continue this going. And look, keep your eyes open. Don't marry your bags. And, pivot because this is going to be a dynamic time right now where a lot of things probably will go up and a lot of things will disappear and it's going to be volatile. So, you don't want to hold all the way down to nothing again or not. I don't know. Maybe you might. I don't know. But and I'm not saying anything's, I don't know. I at this point, I really don't know, but it is wise to keep your eyes open and be flexible. All right, folks, let's have some fun. I'll see you soon.